Namaste everyone. In our day-to-day life, electricity plays very important role. So this electricity we can use in different applications. Like we are using to run a fan, run a motor, switch on a bulb. But one more thing, this is like converting one form of energy to another form. But electricity can also produce magnetism. In olden days, people thought electricity and magnetism they are two different branches. But a famous scientist, so the one we are observing on the screen, his name is Hans Christian Ørsted. So this scientist, while doing some experiments, accidentally found when he was passing current through a wire and there was a magnetic needle. Unknowingly, he kept a magnetic needle near a current passing wire. Suddenly, the magnetic needle started deflection. Then he brought the magnetic needle very close. Then he observed then again he switched on the circuit. It started deflecting more. Then he sent more current through that wire. Then the deflection is increased. Then he has taken the magnetic needle little away. The deflection is decreased. Then surprisingly, he said, when there is a current flowing in a conductor, there is a magnetism. And he started reversing the current. We can observe here, the current is flowing from positive to negative here. See here, the battery plus minus current is flowing. Then he placed a compass, magnet compass here. Then it is deflected from its original position to the west. So the north pole of the magnetic compass needle is deflected to the west direction. Similarly, now the direction of the current is changed. You can see here the current is traveling from positive to negative, that like this. Now in this case, the needle is deflected to the east direction. So when we change the direction of the current, the magnetic needle also changing its direction. Then ultimately, they have given one rule for us. The rule to determine the direction of the magnetic field. This is called Ampere swimming rule or snow rule. How can we understand this? Very simple. When the current is traveling in the direction of a swimmer, see, imagine a man who swims in the direction of the current from south to north. If the swimmer is going south to north, like our current is going south to north, and facing the magnetic needle kept under him, such that the current enters his feet, then the north pole of the needle, this is the north pole of the needle, it deflects towards his left hand, snow rule, or it is deflecting towards west. So the current is traveling from south to north, SN, south to north, and the north pole of the magnet is deflected to the west. That is how snow stands for here. Current is from south to north and the magnetic needle north pole deflects to the west. So this is called snow rule. So ultimately what we have to understand here, when there is a current, there is a magnetism. Ørsted concluded that if you take a current carrying conductor, there should be a magnetic field around the conductor or surrounded by the conductor. And generalization is like that. If you hold a conductor, current carrying conductor in your right hand, the thumb represents the current direction and the fingers which are encircling the conductor represent the magnetic field. Okay, so everywhere in the vicinity or in the surrounded region of the conductor current carrying, there is a magnetic field. So when there is a current, there is a magnetic field. How? It is completely encircled. The direction of the magnetic field is given by this rule. This is called right hand thumb rule. Thumb represent current and the fingers which are curling or holding the pen or holding the conductor represents the magnetic field direction. So this is how the interesting phenomenon was discovered, that is a current carrying conductor has a magnetic field surrounding by that. Okay, so we will learn Where do we use this in our day-to-day life? That applications we will learn in our next section. Thank you.